Amy, what are we doing today?
We're going to go get a Sunday roast on a steam train. We're in Loughborough at the Great Central Railway.
Great Central Railway.
Great Central Railway.
Are you ready for a roast on a steam train?
I'm so excited for a roast on a steam train.
Let's do this.
Okay, I'm trying to stay quite quiet because the train is quite busy and it's not. And I don't know how everyone will feel about this filming, but we're on the Elizabethan and they do like a Sunday roast and you just kind of go for about an hour and a half around Loughborough, but it's very fancy.
Yes.
Like, look at all this, we've got a little table setting. A man brought us some bread.
We do have bread.
Got some water.
We have bread. Yes.
So this is the Great Central Railway. It's like a heritage project where they kind of take old steam engines, old trains, old carriages and refurbish them and then use them for fancy train journeys. It's based out of Loughborough. They've got several stations around the UK, but this is the Loughborough station that we're at now. And yeah, like Amy said, this is the Elizabethan. It's the Sunday roast experience. So
I think we're about to go.
I can hear toots. So yeah, let's see what happens, see what the food's like, and dine on a steam train.
Giant bin.
Good cocktail?
It's ginormous.
Ginormous.
I was hoping to not go too long, but I went long.
Long cocktail.
I think it's just juice.
Just juice, basically. Gin and juice. We're going to have to speak up, I think, to get a
I'm
train.
going to say it loud. Look at the steam.
So lots of steam, yes. I've not gone on my salmon mousse yet.
The bread to mousse, this way they give you bread. The bread to mousse ratio is off.
How is your smoked salmon mousse?
Oh, quick, okay.
Yeah? Is that good?
Yeah.
Thanks. False on the starter.
Tasty. Salmon to bread ratio was off.
Correct.
It was very good.
It was very
Yeah,
tasty.
very tasty, yeah.
Very tasty. We appear to have stopped.
So we've stopped, and we've got this lovely view over a lake.
Swans. It just looked nice. It looks very nice on video, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, it does. And it's really pleasant. The weather's quite nice today as well, and like this view's outside as well, and like yeah, it's nice. That was a good start. The salmon mousse, the cream cheese are very tasty. Like Amy said, crostini to mousse ratio was.
But they gave you a bread.
They did give me a bread on the side.
So
yeah,
we're going to have a roast beef.
both got beef.
Beef.
Both got beef.
And you know us, you know we love a roast.
By the way, there's a woman over here in his family, and she's absolutely cracking us up. She is just like such a busybody. Every time the people come over, she's like, "Oh, that one's for that one, that one's for that one, and that one's for Steve. Well, that's your chicken, isn't it?
Dad, you've got chicken.
Dad, you've got chicken."
Cracking me up.
She's killing us, absolutely killing us.
Dun, 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 dun.
Mates,
Yorkshire pudding.
so far,
Yorkshire pudding. Carrot. Beef.
beef. And the biggest goddamn carrot I've ever seen in my life. On side.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy. You got horseradished.
I got radish.
Yeah.
And then we've got... Oh, that is a little bit more.
This carrot is. I can't get over how big this. There's a lot of carrot. It's a lot of carrot. And then we've got sides. So we've got the roasties and we've got the veg on the side.
Vegetable.
Halfway through the roast, thoughts so far?
It's a perfectly acceptable roast.
Yeah.
It's not my favourite roast I've ever had.
Yeah.
But it's by far not the worst roast I've ever had.
Yeah.
I feel like it's the atmosphere. It's quite flavoursome. I feel like they've spiced, they've herbed.
Yeah.
I feel like they are just kind of catering to the crowd that are usually on these trains.
Yes.
Do you know what I mean?
The white hair that I can see behind you.
Oh, it sounds like we hate old people. We don't.
We don't. My thoughts are the beef sucks.
Yeah, it's like I told you, it's like
It's-
slow cooked beef.
It is. It's fine. It's fine.
It's not
But-
chewy.
It's not chewy. It tastes fine.
It's like stewing beef.
Yeah. It definitely could be better. Yeah. Do that again. I might go chicken. I feel like you can't mess up chicken. I know you're asking, what are the bathrooms like? Obviously you're asking that because that's what happens when you do a train thing. They're fine. They're absolutely fine. They're not as fancy as the rest of the train. They are a bathroom, and they exist. These tramps are cool, though. Just do this. They're pretty cool. And there's a big flush. And I'm not allowed to flush because I'm in a station. So we're in Leicester North station, and this is now...
Is it then?
I don't know. Why are you interrupting me? And this is where you can get off and have a little look around. Because the train is going to turn around and do some bits.
I've had a lovely time. I've got a bit of beef in my teeth. Driving me insane.
Amy is stressed because she has beef in her teeth.
I asked the lady for a toothpick. I was like, "Need toothpick?" She was like, no, I don't know. I've never been asked that before. I'm like, what do you mean you've never been asked that before?
You're serving meat. Toothpick is a thing.
Are we going to go sideways?
Yeah, the train has turned around and is now going to the other end of the train.
Look at it. You got sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Steam and beef in your teeth. Ames, why can't we hang out on this bit? Yeah, and they're right next to the train.
Alright.
Why don't just go on the caboose?
The caboose? No, a carriage is just a caboose, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know what it's called.
Should have brought my big camera.
The train guys are out.
I should have brought my big camera on the train.
You should have done. I should have brought my big camera, really. Yeah, I didn't know we did a stop. I'm quite pleasantly surprised by it.
And no one's told us off for vaping on the station either. It's like being back in the States.
Which is quite nice, yeah. But it is a very pleasant little stop. Yeah, everyone's getting back on now. We should probably get back on.
One of those lamps. Can we get one of those lamps?
Yeah, they are pretty cool lamps. As you can tell from that dessert shot, filming whilst on a moving train is hard work. We learned that hard way on the California Zephyr, to be fair. Yeah, we're getting there. Oh, Amy's back. You have a dessert.
Ooh, that was very fruity. Where's the crumble? Under. I think it's under.
I ordered a bit of cream for you.
Yeah,
I was unsure. Yeah. I was unsure if you wanted full cream or not.
I like a bit of cream.
Yeah, but I was like, I'm unsure. I don't want to answer for her. She's in the bathroom. Unsure. Finish. Yeah.
Oh, I got chocolate.
No, you're good. You're good. How was your dessert?
It was good. I had like a chocolate thing.
Yeah.
It was the vegan option, but it was actually very tasty. Like, I'm a cold dessert girly. You are a warm dessert.
That's why I had the apple crumble.
You smashed that.
Smashed that. Yeah.
There's so much purple and you've got rid of all of it.
I have. I did eat the purple.
You ate the purple.
I mean, that's maybe a horrible euphemism for something. Like, okay, maybe in some communities that's a euphemism for something. I don't know, but for now I'll just say I ate the purple.
Where's he going now? Oh, is this a different one? This is a different one.
It's a different one.
It's the same thing.
Do you have the beef out of your teeth yet?
No.
No.
I'm going to have to go find a Boots or a Superdrug or something and get some fucking floss sticks.
So overall, very enjoyable.
It's very relaxing.
Yeah. Like, we haven't got off yet and there might be more surprises to come. We still have tea and coffee to go.
Cappuccino?
Cappuccino? Can't be bothered to explain that joke, but... And actually, we're going to explore the station a little bit when we get back.
I don't know how much of it's open today, but I think most of it will be.
There's like a museum and a shop and a pub and stuff. I don't know. We'll have a look around when we get there. So we'll show you around that as well when we get back. But so far, so good.
Coffee.
A coffee.
It's raining.
It is raining. It quite profusely started raining out of nowhere.
Which is great because neither of us, both of us always wear a hoodie, and neither of us put a hoodie on today.
No, I was actually considering going my sunglasses earlier because it was fairly bright, but no, now it's just started chucking it down as we're about to disembark after our coffee.
So we're going to explore the railway station when we get back.
Yes, like we said, we'll explore the railway station.
So we paid already for the food, which was about 158, 158, okay, and that was like the premium seats, which we still haven't quite figured out what that means.
Yes.
Because it all looks the same. We had to walk down the train like earlier when we got off the platform, and all of the seats look exactly the same, so I'm not really 100% sure. But either way, not bad.
158 for the experience and the food.
And the coffee. And then I had a glass of wine and a cocktail. You had a couple of beers.
Yep.
£23.
Not bad for 4 drinks, is it?
No. I got it.
Have you got the beef?
Nearly. Stop focusing on
No, I've got to focus on you. You were moaning about the beef in the teeth earlier. I'm focusing on you.
It's not all there, but the worst part is gone.
And we did wonder if these lamps had ever come on. And now they've just come on.
Turned on.
Now
I
it's dark. They've put the lights on. How novel.
Well, that is bad coffee.
It's not the best coffee. That's why I put sugar in.
No, it doesn't even. It's not even need sugar. It just tastes like slightly coffee flavoured water.
It tastes like brown water. It doesn't taste like coffee. It tastes like brown water.
You can see the bottom of the cup.
It's very Holiday Inn. Is that coffee? And we're back to the station.
We're going to have a little wander around.
Yep.
See what you can see. We're going to go to the refreshment and fully licensed bar.
Amy's currently very sad. She's having a sad moment.
I'm a bit of a magpie and I like to keep things. Like, we have a huge box of stuff in our living room. Receipts and like menus and things that we've kept. And when we got here, there was like a thank you from the general manager. It's like an A4 piece of folded paper. And then our receipt was also really branded. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to keep my message from the general manager. And then they came around like, oh, can we get everyone's menus and the message that we got? And I was like, so let's give them our message up. And then when we paid the bill, I was like, oh, can I just keep the bill? Because it was a cool, like, handwritten, branded. And I was like, oh no, we need to take that. So I had absolutely no trinkets to take home with me.
Took the lamp.
I keep saying I'm going to take the light bulb. I keep thinking I'm taking one of these, but I think it's a bit too far.
Probably a bit too far, right? So yes, the rest of the station, there is a lot of like old signs, a lot of like recreated bits, and I've lost Amy somewhere. There was a little emporium that we went to. Yeah, the emporium, yep. That is loads of train books and trinkets and things like that. It's very tiny, so we didn't film in there. But yeah, there's loads of kind of bits. Where'd you go?
In the waiting room.
Old school waiting room. No, I've not seen the scary baby.
It's a scary baby.
I don't like that yet. What else is going on? Loads of old posters and things, loads of old signs. There's the GCR museum at the very, very end. So let's go see if that's open.
The emporium was very cute. I liked it. It was just a load of real big train nerds.
Yeah, a couple of train nerdy men doing
like,
train nerdy stuff. You can see them in there with all the books and stuff. They're nerding. Station master's office. Rain. GCR museum. There's rain. There's also rain. So, debrief. Great Central Railway. It's pretty cool, right? If you're into trains, that is very cool to be on like some old like Pullman carriages and in the dining cars. The food is fine.
Mediocre.
It's 6 out of 10 at best, right? But it's the experience that you're coming for. The dessert was really nice.
Yeah, it was.
The tartar was really nice. The beef on the roast, shoe leather. But it is what it is, right? But the station is really cool as well. There's some like different stores and stuff. There's a little museum. There's like, and the service is really good. Like, it's generally like a really cool experience. At £158 for the two of us, plus 23 for drinks. It is on the pricier side of experiences. You could definitely have a lot cheaper Sunday roast, not on a train, of course. But yeah, like, I thoroughly enjoyed that.
I had a great time. Got my picture taken with the steam train. We got some trinkets. I just bought some random shit, I'm not going to lie. I've got a postcard.
Yep.
And a photograph and another postcard. And
got some pin badges and
some
a guidebook.
Pin badges and a £1 guidebook.
Yeah, nice.
But I had a nice time and I just wanted something to chuck in the box in, so they wouldn't let me take anything off the train.
You're not bitter about it at all?
No, they're not at all. But I had a really good time.
So you can actually just ride different trains here in like general. So you can come here and just get a train to like Leicester North, or you can just do different bits and the things. Or they've got the dining experiences like we did. We did the Sunday roast one. There's afternoon teas, there's murder mystery nights, there's 4-course dining. It changes seasonally what you get, but there's loads of different options. Either way, we'll link to it down below. Thank you, love you, subscribe, like, share,
etc.
and we'll see you next time.